Ooh, and I, 5, 6, figure the thigh. What's up? Hey, it's Fried Chicken Friday. What y'all want? What y'all want? Fried Chicken Friday. Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up, peeps? It's Friday. It's Fried Chicken Friday, baby. Yeah, let me show you what we got. Let me show you what we got. Let me show you what we got. I got my chloride dishwater. I got my chopping board soaking because I had whole wings. And I chopped some of them up. I'm going to do, you know, party wings and whole wings. This is the seasonings for today. Oh, y'all got my name. I love this. This tastes so good. I'm going to put some Philadelphia cream cheese in it. And some Philadelphia cream cheese and something else I'll be putting in it that make it even better. But that's it. What's up, peeps? What's up? We need to get started. Let me get started. Hold on. Hey, what's up? What's up? Music break. Hey. Told you once, I told you twice, chicken. And huh? Okay, y'all ready? What's up? It's Friday, people. Let's plug this up. Gotta plug that up. Is it on? Plug that up, let that get hot. I'm gonna turn y'all up. Wait a minute. What's up, peeps? I hope y'all had a good Friday, baby. A good week. It's Friday. When you see your boy come on this Fried Chicken Friday, you know the week is over with. It's time for the weekend, baby. Put this grease in here. Cause we finna fry up. Y'all, the most amazing thing happened to me yesterday. I had to go and run some errands yesterday, and I had to go get some grease from the pig. And I'm looking cute. I go in there, grab me a little basket. Mind my business, I'm walking. I get to the lettuce because we had burgers yesterday again too. So I had to get burgers. I had the burgers, but I had to get lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers because my mom wanted the salad. So I'm gonna get the lettuce. And this lady walks up to me and she was like, it was in my spirit to come walk up to you and say hello. And I was like, oh, okay, hey, how you doing? And she was like, do my makeup look okay? She was like, do my hair and my makeup look okay? I said, Mama, you look amazing. She said, what Mama mean? I said, it's in terms of endearment. And I said, Mama, you look amazing. I said, the hair, the makeup, the little outfit. And she was like, are you sure I don't look bad? You sure I don't look flabby? And I was like, no, you look amazing. She was like, I'm 72 years old. I just lost 273 pounds. And something told me to just come up to you and talk to you. She said, you made my day. Those are the kind of things that I like. Oh, I'm sorry. Those are the type of things I like. She was like, you made my day. She was like, thank you. And I was like, wow. I'm trying to get my groceries and get up out of there because I got in my car and I just cried. I just want people to feel good. And it's sad that people don't like that about me because I want people to smile and feel good about themselves. Okay, I just had to tell y'all that story. But it happened to me yesterday that made me feel amazing. So, hope you had a good week. It's Friday. It's time to pump it. Okay, grease is in now. Put that back over. So, thank you guys for tuning in to me all the time. You don't have to, but you do. So, thank you. That's all I just want to say. Oh God. Let's season this chicken. Let's season this chicken, child. Oh God, I didn't think I was gonna get that. Yes, I did. I was debating on whether I should tell y'all not, because I knew it was gonna make me cry. But she said I made her day, and that's all I want. I want people to smile and laugh and to have a good time when they're around me, when they see me coming. You know we're going to have a good ass time. And that's exactly what she came to. She was like, it was in my spirit to walk up to you and talk to you and ask you this. And I was like, wow. Girl, I got in my car and hooping and hollered so bad. Yeah, child. Yep. But it's Friday. It's Friday. I'm gonna throw down on some chicken. I'm gonna cook me some Cheetos mac and cheese. But that was amazing, y'all. When I tell you that was amazing, that was amazing. Because I got people out there who do not like me because of my personality. And they actually hang out with me. Girl, you gotta watch people. Ooh. I want to tell y'all that story, but I knew it was gonna make me emotional, so sorry, guys. Okay, what's next? Ooh, I got thrown off. Okay, I need to mix up my wings. Yep, she was 72 years old, just lost 173 pounds. And she was like, something in my spirit told me to come. She just walked up to me in the Piggly Wiggly. She had her cute little wig on. She had her makeup done. And like I told her, I said, baby, don't stop. No matter what the age is, don't stop loving yourself and having a good time. Because that's what people want you to do. People want you to be miserable and sitting somewhere right away. Baby, it ain't happening to me. I don't care what you think about me. It ain't happening to me no more. I'm not letting bitches dictate. Sorry. Demonetized. I'm not letting people do that to me no more. If you don't like me, stay over there, and I'll stay over here. But you better guarantee over here we're going to have a good time. Yeah! Ooh! Ooh, Lord. Yeah, but that's what happened to me yesterday. So I couldn't even drive at and sit there for 5 minutes. I'm sorry, y'all. Did I make y'all sit there and watch me wash dishes? I'm so sorry. I would have thrown off right now, but that's all right. We got this. We got this because we finna fry this. It's Fried Chicken Friday. Fried Chicken Friday. I'm going to cook all of the soup. I wasn't going to cook it out, but I'm going to cook it out because when they don't eat, I'm taking with me over Jamal's house tonight so we can have something to eat after the club. Because it seems to be like lately they're not, I don't know. But whatever they don't eat, when I get ready to go up out of here, it's going in a plate and it's going with me. But yeah, y'all. That's what happened to me. I'm thrown off. We get ready to get started. Frying us some chicken. Some chick. Fry us some chick. I got to get, we ain't got no paper towel. Who is that? Oh, Jerome in the house. Jerome in the house. Okay, y'all. Grease is getting hot. It's not hot yet. I'll be back. No, I can do this. Can y'all, let me see. Come over here, guys. Come over here for a second. Can y'all see me? I made me some sweet tea earlier. Some sweet tea earlier. Damn, y'all can't see me at all. I don't know. These angles be getting me. Getting me. This is for my mac and cheese Cheeto. My mac and cheese Cheeto. Oh, there's something else that had me emotional. One of my subscribers is in Nigeria. Am I saying it right? Nigeria? Nigeria. She is way in Nigeria. She said she came across my channel and she has been watching it ever since she's hooked. And she said she loves me and loves my personality. And it reminds her my cooking reminds her of home because she missed her home country cooking. She's from Atlanta, Georgia. And she's, how do you say it? She's a Christian. So she travels with a church or organization or something like that. And she said she always watching my channel. This is way in Nigeria. Like, wow. Like, that's amazing to me. That somebody way in Nigeria want to just watch me cook and love my cooking because it reminds her of her home and growing up. When I say that stuff is amazing, when I be reading the comments, they are so amazing. Thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy videos. Watch it, like it, share it, notification buttons, everything. Put it on, baby. Put it on, put it on, put it on. Put it on. Yeah, man. And she well in Nigeria. So I said thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all my subscribers. Put a little salt in there. And then I'll be putting, oh, it ain't no more. Philadelphia cream cheese and butter and milk. When I tell you them Cheeto mac and cheese be busting, she be busting. She be busting. You just got to boil them first. You know how you make mac and cheese. Boil them and then put your package in there with the milk, the butter, and the cream cheese. And you talking about busting? Busting what's it? Look, I'm gonna try to use a wooden spoon because y'all said my fork in them in the pots be making y'all cringe. My pot be making them cringe. My pot be making them cringe. Hey, it's Friday. It's Friday. Can y'all see me? Ooh, girl, I want to get burned. Don't burn me. No. You remember on Good Time when that woman burnt Penny Janet? Burnt Janet back with that, no, don't burn me. No, I'm sorry. Oh, that is not funny. Girl, that was so sad. Okay, it's my grease top. I forgot how you tell. I think it's going to put a chopstick in there, a piece of wood or something, or a piece of flour. Should I do the whole wings first? I think so. I'm going to do the whole wings first. No, I wanted to do a couple of them. I want to do a couple hot ones, so I don't want no flour on them. I'm going to do a couple of hot honey. Okay, guys, let that cook. What? Let it cook, let it cook, let it cook, let it cook. It's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. Let me wash my hands, guys. I'll be back. Yay! I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. So these wings out. These gonna be my I really need this big old bowl. Hold on a minute. Oh, I just have to wash it. These are my hot wings. I ain't even try that Piggly Wiggly grease ain't hitting. I'm look, I'm gonna put some butter in there, because I didn't put it on the stove. That's all. I just didn't put it on the stove. Butter. Hot sauce. That smells good. And a little honey. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Let it melt the butter. Next is my mac. My mac is done. Butter, water. Ain't nothing but a corner. Philadelphia cream cheese. There are my wings. You know, while I turn the eye off, I gotta put back on the eye. Mac and cheese package. Mac and cheese package, baby. No, I waste some of my mac and cheese. My sauce. Let that go back on the eye with some milk. And let it cook. Let that cook. Let that cook. Oh, this is so hot. Oh, you know what I want to put on there? Make it even hotter. I want some sriracha. Some sriracha and a little glaze. Some sriracha. Sriracha. little glaze. My mac and cheese is done. Ooh. Oh, I don't want to waste it. Yes, baby. Hot and honey sriracha wings, baby. Okay. Now let's get back to frying. Then get back to frying, baby. Fry like. This Piggly Wiggly grease ain't holding up good. Oh, my big bag. I got a new bag and you got a hole in it. Got a hole in the bag, John. They don't make stuff like they used to make stuff. Stuff don't be no good no more. Don't be nothing in the bag. Everything break up, tear up. Okay, guys, the second batch is down. It's down. Downtown. Let me wash my hands. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Back with the vengeance. And what? Yay. Okay, they floating here. I don't know if y'all can see it. They floating. They floating, floating. On point, my guy, my ladies, my dope subscribers, This is how this turned out. Listen. That sounds like what? That gushy wushy. That gushy wushy. One more wing. I think these gonna be the lemon pepper. I'm gonna do lemon pepper too. Ooh. Don't follow me. What's this, the third batch or the fourth batch? I lost count. One, two, okay, this is the third batch. Third batch, baby, going down. We're already down. I'll be back. Yeah, it's Friday. Encore. Yes, it's Friday. Hey. Ain't no Bow, ain't no doubt, baby, I'm in love. Yeah. With my YouTube family. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go back and take them out. Oh. Man, messed my video up. Now I got to go back and take that music out. Hot. I hate that. I understand. It's YouTube. They play music all the time. Dang. I really don't make no revenue, so I ain't sharing it with no damn. Dang. Oh, I can't believe that. I thought I had mashed it out. Hey guys, look good here, Friday. I was gonna do lemon pepper, but I don't like lemon pepper, and I don't know. Maybe I should lemon pepper like 2 or 3 of them for me. So let me turn this out. This grease already burnt. Turn that out. That grease already burnt. I'm gonna do lemon pepper. Ooh. That's hot. Lemon pepper, baby. You don't see that lemon pepper? Lemon pepper. Okay, that's it, guys. It's mukbang time. Oh, I have to go back and get that out of my video. Music got my video. It's mukbang time, baby. That's hot. She is hot. Mukbang time. My noodles done got cold, I believe. My noodles done got cold. Let me put these in the microwave. My noodles got cold. Okay, so I got lemon pepper. Can you see the lemon pepper? And I got sriracha wings. Yum, get some. I probably should have put these in there too. They might be a little cold because I did these personally. Lemon pepper and sriracha. Sriracha honey hot. I'm gonna put these on here. Heat them up a little bit. Give it a 3. Regular wing. They love their little flats. 1 regular wing and then this. I'm gonna heat this up. Heat that up. And we're gonna do a mukbang. I'll see you at the table, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I think I warmed it up too. It's hot. Who is hot? Amen. Thank you for Amen. Amen. Good bread, good meat, good Lord, let us eat this good food. You know, bless us to get another weekend, another day in, another hours in. So we are blessed. So we're gonna be blessed, eat this blessed food, and it's gonna nourish my body. I don't know how much nourishing it's gonna do. Very good meat, good Lord, let me eat. Yum, yum, give me some. It's hot. Y'all, this is really good. Oh shit, why is it so hot? I don't remember it being that hot. Oh, that's good. That's the regular wing. I want the lemon pepper. Can you see the lemon pepper seasoning on there? That's right, y'all, but it's so good. The lemon pepper wing. Should have had me some ranch. Ooh. Oh. Y'all, it's hot. That lemon pepper good, y'all. Ooh, that lemon pepper good. I might have to put my video up early so they can go ahead and email me the copyright thing so I can take the songs out. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Oh my God, y'all, this is so good. Just on a whim, get you some Cheetos, mac and cheese, and taste it. But make sure you put butter, blend up the cream cheese, and milk. It bustin'. Especially with some wings. Oh, that's good. Oh, let's try the hot sriracha. Oh, that's good. Yeah, girl. Ooh. Fried chicken, fried egg. That hot honey sriracha wing is busting. I'm definitely gonna put these on the menu for the food truck. I can't get no food truck. Y'all guys don't watch the video, like the videos, and comment. I don't do that. So like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Oh my God, it's so good. Mm. Mm. Oh my God, it's so good. Regular wings, lemon pepper, and hot honey sriracha. All in my beard, y'all. Ooh. You know it's good when you got to get that chip. Oh, I ate a lot this time. It must have been real good. Oh, this is best. Got me sweating. Oh, that's good. I forgot my auntie. Hold on. Oh, I'm back, y'all. Your boy's back. You know, it's like sweet tea with lemon. Boy, ain't nothing like it. Good old wings, a good old mac and cheese, and some sweet tea with lemon. Ain't nothing like it, fellas. To all my subscribers in Really Real world, I love you. It's Friday. Go out and have your good time. You ain't got to go out. You can stay at home and have your good time. Just have your good time. Smile, laugh, and be blessed because you made another week or made another day. You're breathing. We're here. Smile, baby. Smile till your cheeks hurt. Amen. Amen. Like, comment, subscribe to your boy. Mash that thumbs up button. Send me a comment. It's your boy, Really Real. Share it with your friends. Turn on your notification buttons. Come on, guys. It's me, Chung Lee. Okay, guys, that's so silly. Oh, I can't believe I got to go back and take these songs out. I can't believe I thought the videos was on pause while I get my plate and stuff, and the video was just playing. It's music just bumping. So they're going to get me, so I got to take that out. So it's going to take some time, but watch the video today, guys. I need all my RELLYRELLians to watch my video today. Tell your friends to tune in and watch it too. We got to do what? Love ourselves and live our lives. Can't nobody do that but you. Can't nobody do it but you. Be safe. Stay blessed. Believe in whatever you believe in that makes you feel all right. Because it's all right. Amen. Amen. It's your boy, Really Real. Peace, y'all. It's Friday.